All right, guys, good morning. It's it's early Tuesday morning, and you'll take notice the New Holland 565 Baler is back here in the shed. All right, so what do I mean when the baler's back? Well, truth be told, I did not make this repair, and I'm glad I didn't. I took this baler to my local New Holland dealer. Kind of the drive of shame, taking equipment to a dealer to get fixed, but I was too worried about how much damage was done to this nodder assembly and the timing of the baler. And being a mechanic for Case IH, we didn't work on very many balers because International never, I've had International balers, they just never were, they weren't like a New Holland, I'll put it that way, I'll leave it at that. But, and I've had it, like I say, I had an International baler, I know all about it. But I took this to my New Holland dealer. They have a baler mechanic that works there that's kind of a well-known baler mechanic, and he made this repair for me. $500 later, I thought it would be a lot more than that. So this here is the twine cam. You'll notice it's replaced. That is the piece that I broke. To access it, the way I understand, he had to take this whole nodder assembly, this whole shaft had to come off to be able to install this. So that broke, and he wasn't sure why it broke. He said he hasn't seen that before, and I'm not actually sure what happened. The only thing I know that can hit this, for this to break, would be that hay dog down there. So I don't know. I don't know if a rock got jammed in there. He said it looked like this piece was cracked already, that it was broke a long time already. His theory was there's a brand new nodder on this side, and they would have had to take it apart to replace this nodder. And when they had it all off, they might have dropped it on the ground and cracked this piece, and then I'm just the lucky guy that broke it. I don't know. I can't say what happened, and he wasn't really sure. He said he's not sure if it's going to happen again, if there's a more serious problem here. But like I say, it was kind of the drive of shame being a mechanic myself. But with everything going on time-wise and all that, $500 isn't a terrible repair cost for this, considering what it could have been. So he did replace this, and he went over everything. He said he tied a couple knots with it to make sure everything had worked. So we should be in good shape. We're going to be starting second cutting this week. So that's what it is. I know I might get some flack from guys for taking it to the dealer, but now if it doesn't work, I can yell at them instead of yelling at myself. So whatever. It is what it is. The baler's back.